Hi, I'm Renee. I'm the owner of Sacramento Art Glass, and I help facilitate these car projects.
My name is Danielle Trachtenberg.
I'm Silas Marshwood.
My name is Donovan.
I'm Adam.
My name is Sean Paca.
What's been the most meaningful part of the project for you?
Makes me feel like I want to go on and use the knowledge that I strive for.
Learning new things, creative things. So,
What has been the most meaningful thing about participating in this project?
Develop skills to use in everyday life. Get experience using power tools.
We are coming here to learn about the different types of skills and learn about the different types of tools we use and why we are doing it. And one of them is to enhance, like, whether it's work skills or cognitive skills.
Tell me about the car behind you.
All right, so this is a 1968 VW Bug, right? And we brought this thing from it had an engine fire, and it was Flintstone floors, right? You could see through the bottom of it, and it took us, I think, 60-something days to sort of bring it to this point, right? So these guys learned how to weld, they learned how to do all the things, tighten and loosen bolts, remove body parts, straighten doors, do all this kind of good stuff. But we took this car from a rusted out pile of junk to a really, really nice show car. And our next car is a 1965 Pontiac GTO.
And what's the current project we're working on right now?
So we're working on a muscle car. It's a Pontiac GTO, and we just began starting. We took the frame off. All the parts are hanging up on the wall. Body parts.
We're really excited about this project. It's going to be a little bit more muscle and a little bit more fun, but it's a much bigger project, and there's just a lot more car to deal with here. And we're also realizing that the parts are a little bit more expensive than the little bug parts over here. So I want to thank you guys for your support on this bug. We would never have been able to do it without your guys' financial help. We really appreciate it. And the entire crew does as well. We're hoping you guys will jump on board and help us make another dream happen. So if you guys can find it in your hearts to donate to our GoFundMe, we would really appreciate that.
What's the personal dream of yours?
To start driving so I can drive these great cars that we're working on.
Beautiful. Look.
What kind of dreams do you have that you'd like to make come true?
I would love to see whether it's this or the GTO. I like to see that looking all brand new again and on the roads and freeways again.
Skills these guys are picking up is, working with dangerous tools they probably thought they'd never work with, right? So safety, and then fine motor skills, and also the skills to look at a situation and sort of figure out what to do or how to accomplish the goal that they have in that moment.
My favorite tools is in the project is just the welding.
So I was responsible for working on the Volkswagen before, and I used the plasma cutter for the working under the body, the undercarriage. I learned about welding. I used the grinder on the frame, and then used the sanding the body.
What are some of the tools you've worked with?
My favorite is the sandblaster.
we're learning how to use wrenches, sanders, sockets, and a lot of other tools.
Just one thing we do try and do a lot of here is we have them team up, so there's two of them together and they can help each other and communicate on finishing their goal together, right? So it's like taking a tire off. It's like we say, here, you've done it before, go for it, try and work it out, so they work together to make it happen.
If you could say anything to the world, what would you like everyone to know?
It's hard work doing this. Yeah.
What's your special connection to the car project?
This bug over here used to be my parents' car, my mom's car.
If you had a message you wanted to tell the world, what would you say?
Keep pushing, with your dreams. Don't give up, and you just when you keep making an effort, you'll get there someday.
If you could have a message for the world, what would you want to say?
Go for something that you think you can't do, and you probably can.
The Giving Pint is a meaningful collaboration between Starpoint Consulting and Sacramento Art Glass, united by a shared belief that everyone deserves the opportunity to find purpose, build skills, and contribute to the world around them. Through a modern apprenticeship model, The Giving Pint brings hands-on, real-world training to autistic adults and those with learning challenges, creating a space where talent is nurtured, confidence grows, and every participant has the chance to make a genuine difference. This isn't just about learning a craft. It's about belonging, contribution, and proving that when we invest in people, incredible things happen.